recently unveiled iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max, the stars of Apple's latest event. These devices bring a host of exciting features, including USB-C support, enhanced cameras, and a sleek titanium body. Join us as we take a closer look at what makes these phones stand out from the crowd. First off, let's talk about the design. The iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max are notably lighter than their predecessors, making them more comfortable to hold. The ergonomic design with rounded edges provides a better grip, making it a pleasure to handle. Notably absent is the familiar silent switch. Instead, we have the action button. This button, borrowed from the Apple Watch Ultra, offers customizable functions with default settings for silencing your phone. It's a thoughtful addition that can be tailored to your preferences. Moving on to the cameras, these iPhones offer impressive upgrades. Both models feature a larger 48-megapixel sensor, significantly enhancing low-light photography. However, the real star here is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It boasts a groundbreaking 5x optical zoom, achieved by a unique mini periscope-like design. This innovation allows for remarkably close optical zoom and an astonishing 25x digital zoom. The camera setup includes 3 physical cameras with 7 different lens options, including an ultra-wide and a telephoto camera with a 120mm equivalent, akin to a high-quality telephoto lens in your pocket. One of the most anticipated features is the inclusion of a USB-C port. Long rumored and spurred on by EU initiatives, it's a welcome addition. The USB-C port supports USB 3 data transfer, making it a breeze to transfer your high-resolution ProRes videos and ProRAW photos to your computer. This adds convenience and speed to your workflow. Under the hood, these Pro models are powered by the A17 Pro chip. This chip introduces ray tracing, bringing dramatic enhancements to gaming visuals. While playing games, you'll notice impressive reflections and details that elevate your gaming experience. In conclusion, the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max represent some of the most exciting advancements in the iPhone lineup. From their sleek design and ergonomic improvements to the groundbreaking camera capabilities and the introduction of the USB-C port, these devices are set to raise the bar. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a gamer, or simply looking for a premium smartphone experience, these iPhones have something to offer. For more in-depth coverage and updates on the iPhone 15 Pros and other Apple products, be sure to follow us here and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next video.